Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel that is English with RM. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting moral story. The title is A Clever Little Squirrel and a Bird. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a clever little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known for his sharp wit and quick thinking. One sunny day, while gathering acorns, Sammy noticed a bird trapped in a hunter's net. Feeling a deep sense of empathy, Sammy knew he had to help the bird. Sammy scampered up the tree and carefully chewed through the ropes, setting the bird free. The bird fluttered its wings with gratitude and chirped happily. As the bird soared into the sky, it turned to Sammy and said, "Thank you, Sammy. Your kindness has saved my life. If you ever need help, just call out. I will come to your aid." Sammy smiled and replied, "You are welcome, my feathered friend. Remember, kindness and compassion are the gifts that keep on giving." From that day forward, Sammy and the bird became steadfast friends, always ready to lend a helping hand to anyone in need. And in the vast forest, their acts of kindness inspired other animals to embrace compassion and support one another. The moral of the story is that kindness is a powerful force that can create bonds, inspire others, and make the world a better place. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.